Hello, and in this very short video I'm going to show you how you can have a go at removing these ring marks. What's happened here is something hot's gone on there, or maybe a liquid underneath it, and let's put some liquid underneath, or some moisture underneath the finish. So I want to try and draw that moisture out of the finish. The easiest thing to try, this is the first thing you should try, is to put a bit of fabric over it and get a hot iron with no steam and iron directly over the top of it. Just dry that off. And there's still a little bit staying there. I'll get that in the corner. You can dry that off, don't want any residual moisture on. There you go, very nice, very quick, easy way to remove the watermarks. So I've still got a little bit to do there, and then I'm actually probably going to refinish this table at some point because it is a little bit worn. And that's just a nice simple way to remove some ring marks.